Hi, my name is Josh Mack, and this is for Math 122 Pre-Calculus. This is my second voice thread, so voice thread for week 2, and I'm going to be talking about the function f of x equals 5x, and then we're going to be discussing a few of the graphs and how they relate to f of x equals 5x. So f of x equals 5x, basically what that's saying is whatever x is, y or f of x will be 5 times what x is. So if x is 1, y or f of x will be 5. If x is 2, f of x will be 10, and so forth. So it's basically a straight line that goes through the very center of the graph, and it's going to go at that ratio of 1 over 5 up, 1 over 5 up, and it's going to go in a straight line intersecting all those points. Now, the other graphs I'm given are f of x plus 3, f of x minus 3, f of x plus 3, and f of x minus 3. So all of these, how they're related is they're all f of x essentially. They're all following that same pattern of 1 over 5 up, 1 over 5 up, or whatnot. But they're the plus and minus 3 and how they're situated within parentheses or without parentheses. It's just moving them over left or right. So the lines, you have all 5 lines on there, all 5 graphs, and they will never intersect because they'll all be parallel. So for example, f of x equals 5x, it's going to intersect with the x-axis at 0, 0. So 0x, 0y, that's where f of x equals 5x is going to come through. Now 5x plus 3 is going to be negative 0.6 to the, so it's going to be to the left of it. And that means that because they're parallel and they're both essentially 5x, that they will always be, no matter where you are, they will always be negative, or it will always be negative 0.6 less of a number than what the other one would. And 5x minus 3 is positive 0.6, so it's to the right of it. Same thing. It's always going to be it's always going to maintain that same distance from the traditional 5x. 5 parentheses x plus 3 is going to be at the negative 3, so it's going to be to the left of 5x, and it's always going to be there. It's always going to be negative 3 of whatever the actual 5x is going to be, and then the 5 parentheses x minus 3 is going to be positive 3 to whatever f of x equals 5x is. So that is how they're related, and if you have any questions, please let me know.